So earlier today, around 9:45, called out the QQQ puts. We entered in. We had confirmation that this was a good trade, essentially from the put flow data that came through. We had unusual option flow data that came through in this channel here, and that was this alert. This was around the same time that I had let the community know that we were still in a good position. It's a tough market. I said, people are trying to trade the market open and they weren't having much luck. We tend to not trade a ton at the beginning of the day because of that reason. And so just took a short position on QQQ based on this bear flag formation and the Fibonacci retracement zone that it was coming into. We just had strong resistance, and it was just a nice asymmetric short position entry. So took the position, and then got convinced a few members to jump on. Make sure to read through the pre-market research that is included with the membership. This is important. We've got all this data that I share that just really helps people get a feel for the market. And so if one were to read that, they would have a little bit better sense of when I signal or let people know about these position entries, that the reasoning behind it is actually in the pre-market research in general. So just to sum it up, we entered into Bank of America and QQQ. Both trades have been successful. We did enter in MU calls as well, and those, or MU puts as well, and those actually we closed for a small loss, but we managed to. It was really small, and so basically, that's what we do in this community, is we signal trades and we educate along the way. Going back to the QQQ trade, so basically convinced this member that he should join in on the QQQ bear flag based on this reading of the Fibonacci extension and retracement lines. Got this signal, like I said before, that we had in the Market Wizard bots, or our unusual option flow bots, for 0 days to expiration call or put premium. And what do you know, we got a rejection on the high of the day, which was right in the Fibonacci zone that we talked about before. And now we're getting the breakdown into our price targets of 322, 320.60, and 319. This will potentially become a swing position, so by the time this video is posted, this position might be more or less than it currently is. But either way, we have a profitable position because we moved our stop losses up. So now, if anything happens, we go back above our 325, which is right around VWAP right now. Then we can close the position. Even if it goes to that VWAP, though, I think we still have a good trade entry, especially being in from the high of the day, of about 16% on the trade right now. So, well, I hope this video helps understand kind of the gist behind the community, and then just kind of seeing the reasoning behind entering a short position on the broader technology market. So keep this video short, and without further ado, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.